फर्स्ट टाइम हमारा स्कूल में एनसीसी डे सेलिब्रेशन कर रहे हैं, तो सबको कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन एंड हैप्पी एनसीसी डे।
Respected CTO, Madam Sudharani Bishoi, my dear cadets of OAB Pitatari, I welcome you all on this NCC Day. I feel happy that OAB Pitatari has NCC Navalwing. The NCC wing is an voluntary organization. The main motto of NCC is to create the future military force, and another motto is unity and discipline. Through NCC, you are taught how to be disciplined and stand united for the cause of nation. The sense of patriotism is inculcated among the students. So on this NCC Day, I welcome you all and also urges you to learn how to be a disciplined citizen of India and be ready to serve being at OAB Pitatari. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, respected principal sir, to encourage our students. आज एनसीसी डे सेलिब्रेशन कर रहे हैं, इसलिए हमारे बच्चे आज श्री बंकिम चंद्र चट्टोपाध्याय जी के बारे में थोड़ा स्पीच देंगे। वो स्पीच का कंपटीशन है, तो जो बच्चे स्पीच देंगे।
A pleasant morning to one and all present here. I am Sriya. On this auspicious occasion, I want to speak some lines about the backbone of Bengali language, Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. He was not just a novelist, but also a poet, journalist, and intellectual. He was a member of Brahmo Samaj and a reformist of social and religious intellectuals.
Sir, on this occasion of NCC Day, I am here to give a speech on a nationalist yet a poet of India, Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Born in 23rd June 1838, he is regarded as a poet, a novelist, and also, more importantly, a nationalist. By birth, he has a great intellect and interest in poems. His book Anand Mat is very popular novel among the Bengali. It laid the foundation of Bengali literature.
He get a new idea to how to serve our nation as a good citizen. In this way, I want to conclude my speech. Thank you.
Respected principal sir and CTO ma'am and my dear cadets. On this occasion of National Cadets Day, I am speaking about the great personality Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, who was a great poet, writer, and a nationalist who played a pivotal role in India's cultural and intellectual awakening during the 19th century. He was his creation, that is Vande Mataram, was immortal, and this inspires a lot of people during the freedom struggle and by igniting the spirits of the people. He was born on 26 June in 1838 in the village of Kanthalpara. I want to say, his name does not decide his power. His aura and his legacy decide his power.
Honorable Principal Sir, respected CTO ma'am and dear NCC cadets, today I am here to speak something about Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay was born on 26 June 1838 at Noihati block of West Bengal. His mother name was Durga Devi Chattopadhyay. He was completed his study in Hooghly College and Hooghly College of Kolkata and Kolkata University. And he was a writer, poet, journalist and a novelist of West Bengal. He was a composer of Vande Mataram as national.
नेशनल सॉन्ग शुरू कर.
वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् सुजला सुफला मनयज सीतरा श्यामला मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् सुरजोत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी फूलकुसुमिता प्रमदलशोभिनी सुहासिनी सुमधुरभाषिणी सुखदां बलदां मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम्.
गिनती से सामने से सलूट. परेड दो.
अभी हम बच्चों को साइकिलिंग करा रहे हैं. देखिए, चलो बच्चों आराम से साइकिलिंग कर करके आओ, आराम से आओ. चलो साइकिलिंग कर करके हम जो पेड़ के पास जाएंगे. इधर हमारे डे के लिए ऐसे राइटिंग कंपटीशन चल रहा है. चलो देखिए ऐसे राइटिंग कंपटीशन चल रहा है. लिखना शुरू हो गया. चलो बच्चों लिखना शुरू करो.
परेड पीस आउट. परेड स्टार्ट.
एनसीसी डे में हम लोग शपथ लेते हैं कि देश के लिए कुछ अच्छा काम करेंगे. आप लोग डेडिकेटेड हो देश के लिए और अपना कैरेक्टर भी अच्छा रखना है. खुद को एक अच्छा इंसान बनाना है. यही हमारा इंसानियत देश के लिए दिखाना है. इंसानियत का भावना हम देश के लिए दिखाएंगे. वही हमारा स्वार्थ रहना चाहिए देश के लिए कि हम देश के लिए कुछ अच्छा काम करें.
एनसीसी क्लब शुरू कर.
Happy NCC Day, all of you.